I was born in the city called Kazan in Russia. It's a bit different about gender equality and the role of women in families compared to other big cities. A lot of people, even just women themselves, they kind of adopt the rhetorics against women themselves, so that is really, really disturbing. I want to bring some kind of change to the digital sphere in Russia. Me and some of my friends have an NGO that organizes youth projects for people from 4 countries. I was a Russian delegate last year in the 2017 Girls 20 Summit in Munich. I really wanted to connect with other girls from all over the world. When we met, it was really awesome because then you realize that all of them eventually face the same problems. And when you unified, you kind of realize that there might be some common solutions to that. When speaking of another generation of women, I really would like to see them being more honest with each other and know what they want to do and being able to follow their passions and not be afraid of that.